There Is Love in You is the fifth studio album by English electronic musician Four Tet, released on 25 January 2010 by Domino Recording Company. The lead single from the album, Love Cry, was released as a limited edition 12 on 2 November 2009. As of 2011, it has sold 22,228 copies in United States according to Nielsen SoundScan. Critical reception. There Is Love in You received universal acclaim from music critics. At Metacritic, which assigns a normalized rating out of 100 to reviews from mainstream critics, the album received an average score of 82, based on 30 reviews. John Bush of AllMusic described There Is Love in You as a reset album, one where Hebden pares his music down to the essentials and the most natural he sounded on record in years, with the Spartan precision of Philip Glass but also, surprisingly, the warmth and vitality of classic cluster as well. Chris Martins of the AV Club noted that the album continued in the smoother musical direction of Hebden's upbringing, and to great effect. If this isn't the best Four Tet record yet, it's certainly a fresh face for Hebden. Slant Magazine's Matthew Cole praised There Is Love in You as his most inviting and accessible set of songs to date, while Q's Robin Turner wrote that the album brims with a playful sense of wonder. Mark Richardson of Pitchfork wrote that There Is Love in You always has just enough going on to pull you back in anytime you feel like relegating it to the background and works best taken whole, rather than broken into individual tracks. Ben Thompson of The Observer felt that the album captures all that was special about dance music's mid-90s heyday. In a mixed review, NME's Louise Briley felt that There Is Love in You peaks early with Love Cry and that Four Tet fails to move forward on a nevertheless lovely seventh album. Robert Christgau, in his Consumer Guide column for MSN Music, gave the album a 1-star honorable mention rating, indicating a worthy effort consumers attuned to its overriding aesthetic or individual vision may well like. Accolades. Resident Advisor ranked There Is Love in You as the 7th best album of 2010. It also reached the top 10 of year-end lists by Musicom, who ranked it 9th, and the Seattle Times, whose critic Jonathan Zwickle ranked it 10th. There Is Love in You placed at number 35 on the Village Voice's year-end Pazinjop Critics poll, while also placing in the year-end lists of the AV Club at number 24, NME at number 45, and Pitchfork at number 27. Pitchfork later ranked it at number 63 on its list of the top 100 albums of 2010-2014. Track listing. All tracks written and produced by Kieran Hebden. Personnel. Credits for There Is Love in You adapted from liner notes. Kieran Hebden, production, writing. Matthew Cooper, design. Brian Dowling, photography. Jason Evans, design, photography. Charts. References.